Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Now, Southeast is in the full radar over so many things happening down there. A lot of the people are crying. So fairly recently, we saw an old woman who decided to take a cue from Chimutalago and decided to wear the Biafran flag. And she said, actually, from what she said she's actually the indigent. The soldiers are the foreigners invading their land. As we speak, stakeholders are talking. Ohaneze Ndigbo is talking. Don't forget that IPOB have given a mandate that come the day of court hearing, they want Nnamdi Kanu out. Now stakeholders are beginning to talk because they know that other than that, they are going to get a 1 month sit at home. Has caused a lot of reactions, and men are talking. Hey, people in the corridor of powers are also talking. Before we go to the newspaper to find out what Ohaneze Ndigbo and CSOs are saying concerning this matter, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. We're going to start what the CSOs are saying, but trace the point with what Ohaneze Ndigbo said. The federal government has been advised to consider dialogue with the separatist group, the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), and other aggrieved groups in the southeast region of Nigeria so as to resolve the issues leading to the agitations. Coalition of civil society organizations made a call during the Nigerian civil society situation room dialogue session with security agencies in Anambra State. Members of the Nigerian Civil Society Situation Room, representatives of the various security agencies, as well as media organizations and civil society organizations, Wednesday converged on Awka, Anambra State capital. Top on the agenda is the issue of insecurity and how to achieve a peaceful election in the November 6, 2021 governorship poll. After several hours of deliberations, the meeting wants the Nigerian federal authorities to go into dialogue with the self-determination agitation group, the IPOB, and other aggrieved groups so as to dose tension and restore confidence in the public space. They, however, urged the people to give peace a chance, noting that no meaningful development can be achieved in a hostile environment. And in another news, Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide has stated that failure to arrange the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, come October 21 will stall the Anambra election and also guarantee IPOB 1 month sit-at-home order takes place. Ohaneze Ndigbo made this known in a statement signed by his Secretary General, that's Okechukwu Izuguzoro, and made available to newsmen in Abakaliki at the weekend. He therefore warned federal government to quit playing the ostrich and arrange Nnamdi Kanu on October 21st, 2021 in the Abuja High Court, that's some days away. According to Izuguzoro, the arrangement will serve to end the pandemonium and chaos being witnessed in Southeast. According to the statement, the practical steps to ensure peaceful Anambra Guba elections devoid of any kind of violence and chaotic uneasiness is for federal government to produce Nnamdi Kanu to face his trials in court without further delay. Izuguzoro further condemned the manner Southeast governors react to issues affecting the zone without considering the negative impact and consequences of their utterances. We are ashamed to admit that some of the Southeast governors are now spokesmen for presidential villa. Their public postures and assertions depict cajolery to the traditional norms and cultural heritage of what Igbo is known for. We are embarrassed by the way these governors grant interviews without any consideration of the negative impact and consequences of their utterances to the public. These shows of shame must end instantly. We are disgusted by the discovery through the governor of Anambra, Willie Obiano, that President Muhammad Buhari is not in the know or approved of the presidential threat to declare a state of emergency in Anambra State. Our suspicion is reinforced by these findings. There are also the possibilities that President Muhammad Buhari is not aware of the wavering in the arrangement of Nnamdi Kanu in court, and the Office of Attorney General should dispute the fact that the office has not been hijacked for rogue operations against the Southeast. If the federal government fails to produce Nnamdi Kanu in court on October 21st, 2021, subsequently it will be a breeding ground for various reasons why Anambra elections might be marred with irregularities and chaos. Lagos is the second largest, or rather take that again, Lagos is the second least livable city in the world for year 2021. This is according to the most recent annual ranking put together by Economist Intelligence Unit. All right. Okay, this is strong. This is very strong coming from 1 month sit at home. And the day they mentioned, I think October 27th, thereabout. Yeah, I think that's the date where October 21, 2021. That's the day for the Abuja High Court hearing. Don't forget that the last one that was held, that was adjourned, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not present, and the lawyers, the defense attorney, insisted that his client has to be there. He's in Nigeria, right? Then he should be there to witness his hearing. Okay, now, and IPOB is quite simple in their demand. They're saying, look, want to see a leader. Some are even saying, look, it's not a matter of even arranging them. Unlike Izzy Guzoro is saying, look, you have to bring this guy out. Let him face his trial. Don't keep putting him in and keep adjourning this thing. Let this thing flow. While Ohaneze Ndigbo say, look, you got a dialogue. CSO is shouting, you got a dialogue here. He's telling the federal government, look, if you don't want these things to go out of hand, out of proportion, and you want the elections to hold in Anambra State, then you have to do the needful. Follow the law and ensure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out for his hearing. While Guzoro is of the opinion that if, based on what Governor Willie Obiano said about the issue of the president, President Muhammadu Buhari, not being aware of the threat to a state of emergency to be declared or ought to be declared in Anambra State. But don't forget that the statement reads in part that that's Malami saying that they are not ruling out state of emergency. If they'll consider it if it needs be, and if it's an option, it's not they're not ruling out any option. Even if it means using state of emergency to achieve it, then so be it. Now the Governor Obiano had to one-on-one encounter with the president. I said, look, no, that didn't come from me. It's not from me. State of emergency, why would I do that? Okay, so now Izuguzoro is saying that if that is the case, then there are quite a lot of things that may be going on that President Muhammadu Buhari may not know. He said that maybe he doesn't even know about the wavering and the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not even coming out. So many things in the permutations here and there that is going on, but in all they're saying there has to be some sort of dialogue, or else come 21st of October, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not arranged, the Southeast may be seeing a 1 month sit at home, which may not all go very fine, especially in the economy, very harsh economy that Nigerians are facing right now. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on this? Do have a nice day.